We're in an abandoned science lab. I believe everything is left behind. I found some cyclohexene and some bromine water. So when these two are mixed together, you have the cyclohexene, which will form an organic layer because there's a lower density, onto the water layer, which has a higher density, and they create two different phases. When the bromine is initially aqueous and in the water layer, the water will be the kind of browny typical colour of bromine, and the cyclohexene will just sit on top. When you add the bromine water and you mix them together, the phases mix, the bromine transfers across to the organic layer because they're both non-polar. When the bromine transfers across, it brominates the unsaturated bond of the cyclohexene to form dibromocyclohexane, which then sits in the organic layer on the top. So the water should change from the brown aqueous bromine water to the colourless. So let's give it a go. So I've got a test tube here, and I've got the cyclohexene and the bromine water. So I'm going to add some of the bromine water into here. There we go. Set that there. And the cyclohexene, which has a nice solventy smell. Add these two together. There we are. And that's the unsaturated bond starting to brominate, so it forms that brown colour. Give it a shake. And then allow it to settle out. And the dibromocyclohexane layer should settle at the top. So the aqueous layer now has gone colourless, and the organic layer has now gone brown by dibromocyclohexane. Same as up here, so you have your brown layer on the top, your bromine water that is now no longer bromine water, and the bromine's all up here as dibromocyclohexane.